Whether you have a playful pup, a curious cat, or any pet in between, smart gadgets can enhance their health, safety, and entertainment. From automatic feeders to smart collars, technology is transforming how we care for our pets. Let's see what gadgets are must-haves this year. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Trends Central. If you're looking to give your furry friends a tech upgrade, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the smart gadgets for your pet. Technology meets care that will make your life easier and their lives more fun. Let's jump right in. First up is the Smart Feeder, a Wi-Fi connected automatic pet feeder designed to ensure your pet never misses a meal, even when you're not home. With precise portion control and real-time monitoring through its app, the Smart Feeder helps maintain your pet's diet and overall health. It's perfect for busy pet owners who want peace of mind knowing their pet's nutritional needs are met. The biggest perk? It eliminates the worry of overfeeding or underfeeding, making it a game changer for pets with specific dietary needs. If you're looking to simplify your pet's feeding routine, check out the Smart Feeder. Ever wondered what your pet is up to while you're away? Enter the Petett HD, a two-way pet camera that lets you video chat with your pet, dispense treats, and even calm them with aromatherapy. This device is more than just a camera. It's a full-fledged communication center for you and your pet. The Petett HD is ideal for pet owners who worry about separation anxiety. You can interact with your pet anytime, anywhere, ensuring they feel loved even when you're not around. Keep an eye on your pet and stay connected with the Petett HD. Next on the list is the Ganon interactive toy, a smart toy designed to keep your dog entertained for hours. It moves on its own, responding to your dog's play style, or you can control it via the app for some interactive fun. Perfect for high-energy dogs, the Ganon ensures your pet gets the exercise they need, even when you're busy or away from home. If you've ever felt guilty about not having enough time to play with your dog, the Ganon is the perfect solution to keep them active and engaged. Ready to give your dog a playmate that never tires? Check out the Ganon. Tired of stray animals sneaking into your home? The Sur Flap microchip pet door is here to save the day. This smart door recognizes your pet's microchip, allowing only them to enter and exit, keeping unwanted visitors out. Not only does it provide security, but it also gives your pet the freedom to come and go as they please, without you having to get up every time. Ensure your home is only accessible to your pets with the Sur Flap microchip pet door. The Furbo Dog Camera is a must-have for any dog owner. It's not just a camera, it's an interactive experience. You can watch, talk, and even toss treats to your dog remotely, making sure they feel loved even when you're miles away. The Furbo also has barking alerts, so you're instantly notified if something's wrong at home. For those moments when you wish you could be with your dog but can't, the Furbo Dog Camera bridges that gap perfectly. Stay connected with your furry friend with the Furbo Dog Camera. Does your dog love playing fetch? The iFetch ball launcher is here to keep the game going, even when you're not around. This automatic ball launcher allows your dog to play fetch endlessly, all on their own. It's great for keeping your dog active and engaged, and it's perfect for those times when you're busy, but your dog wants to play. Give your dog the gift of endless fun with the iFetch ball launcher. Next up is the WhistleGo Explorer, a smart collar that does more than just track your pet's location. It monitors their health, activity levels, and even behavior patterns, giving you a comprehensive view of your pet's well-being. If your pet is prone to wandering off or you're concerned about their health, the WhistleGo Explorer is a fantastic tool to keep them safe and healthy. Ensure your pet's safety and health with the WhistleGo Explorer. Bath time can be a struggle, but the AquaPaw Slow Treater makes it easier. This clever device sticks to any flat surface and dispenses treats slowly, keeping your pet distracted and calm during grooming sessions. It's a game changer for anxious pets, turning bath time into a more relaxing experience for both you and your pet. If you've ever wrestled with a reluctant pet during bath time, the AquaPaw Slow Treater will make your life so much easier. Make bath time stress-free with the AquaPaw Slow Treater. The Pet CubeBytes 2 is a high-tech pet camera that not only lets you see and talk to your pet, but also allows you to toss treats remotely. It's perfect for keeping your pet engaged and happy while you're away. With its wide-angle camera and two-way audio, it's like being home with your pet, even when you're not. Stay connected and keep your pet entertained with the Pet CubeBytes 2. Last but not least, the Link Act Smart Collar is the ultimate accessory for your dog. It tracks your pet's location, monitors their health, and even has a built-in LED light for nighttime safety. Whether you're hiking in the wilderness or walking through the city, the Link Act Smart Collar ensures your pet is safe and sound. For those who love outdoor adventures with their pets, this collar provides peace of mind, knowing your pet is always within reach. Equip your dog with the Link Act Smart Collar for the ultimate pet safety and health monitor.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these smart tech innovations, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and insights.